Hi, and welcome back to Cure Marine. What an extraordinary day it's been. What stood behind me only months ago was the Cure 55 boat number 1. And that was the result of a vision from the founders of Cure Marine, Dave Biggar and Ian McMahon, to do something truly extraordinary. Not an evolution, but a break from compromise. A 55-foot catamaran that could take you where you wanted to go. Since then, we've been sailing the boat, it's been reviewed. All that have been on board all have the same feedback. The responsiveness from the helms has been fantastic. Quiet hulls, the performance and the ease of handling. It's all second to none. What stands behind me now is boat number 2. More refinement and a level of customization for this particular customer. He came to Cure Marine with a very specific set of requirements. He wanted to go off-grid. He wanted to go farther, longer, faster. The result was Ripple.